मॉर्निंग गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू अनदर ब्लॉग। आज के ब्लॉग में ना इतनी सारी चीज़ें होने वाली हैं, ठीक है। इतनी सारी चीज़ें मतलब क्या कि उसमें तीन चार चीज़ें कि जो ना हमने एक्सप्लोर की, ठीक है। मैं अकेला नहीं था, ऑब्वियसली मेरी पूरी हॉस्टल की गैंग मेरे साथ में थी एंड हमारे कुछ बाहर के टीचर्स भी थे, जो कि हम लोग ना एक छोटी सी आप ऐसे जो एज अ पिकनिक के लिए गए थे, ठीक है। बट इंस्टेड ऑफ पिकनिक यू कैन ऑल्सो से स्मॉल ट्रिप, एंजॉयमेंट प्लेस कुछ। तो हमने क्या ना, हम लोग गए थे मूवी देखने। लेटेस्ट मूवी आई है बॉलीवुड की, जिसका नाम है कॉन्जरिंग। बहुत ही बोरिंग है, ठीक है। मैं आपको बिल्कुल भी सजेस्ट नहीं करूँगा देखने के लिए, बहुत ही बकवास थी। तो हम लोग मूवी देखने गए। तो मूवी देखने के बाद हमने शॉपिंग करी, शॉपिंग के बाद खाना खाया एंड ठीक है। सो आज का जो ब्लॉग है ना, आपको ना सारा का सारा पता चल जाए कि मेरे हॉस्टल में कौन कौन सी गैंग है, सारे के सारे टीचर्स, and you will get to know about not to say everything about them. Okay, there are also few teachers who are from outside Maharashtra. Okay, they have traveled a lot, काफ़ी ज़्यादा ट्रैवल करके हमारे यहाँ पे आए। तो आपको इस वीडियो में सारी की सारी चीज़ें मिल जाएंगी। सो टू वॉच टिल द एंड, टू लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल। थैंक यू। चलो right now we are here to watch a movie, horror movie. So do subscribe my channel, watch, like, share and subscribe. Okay, thank you.
शाबाश बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया।
After movie we will give the review of that movie.
Actually, whole hostel gang is here. Man who doesn't hear.
No Hindi, but they are here.
Yes, clear. Hey, no, call him. How?
It's on Yeah, I know.
So we are to watch here The Conjuring, the last rites, and we also got Bengal Files. And what is this? एक दीवानी की दीवानियत। अब ये कौन सी मूवी रे? What movie is that one? The last one we don't even know.
Don't buy this ticket. You will come and buy it.
Okay,
What is he?
he will come, man.
What is he? He's from Nagaon. No, he's in Nagaon. He said.
Where? How he'll come, man? It is almost 10 o'clock. He can't come so fast.
अरे नहीं, वो आप
टिकट बुक मत करो यार। You don't want to? Cliffin, bro. Can you just say hi?
Cliffin is very cute today.
Yeah, boy. Actually, he is. Hey, no proper cleaning, Sri. You know, they have got such a big restaurant. Sorry, what? Theater. And see that whole table is there. I don't know what kind of work. But it is closed, yeah. It is not working. You know, this whole food court, na, it is still closed. So you can say this food court, which is already closed. No more taking what is this? Bro, parcel service is available.
10 rupees extra.
Bro, there are also gents, okay? You're a gent, right?
Gents washroom.
You're a gents, right? Hey, you know what? You know, yesterday na, I told this fellow.
Who? To whom?
Which one?
Rutuja ma'am. So you know, yesterday I told one of these fellows, you know, you're like, you know, big Shruti ma'am and small Shruti ma'am. You know why? You know, you also know already. Yes. Right? And you also know. She also knows
that fellow also knows.
She
Because
said
you know what?
She will be coming, right? She will join. But she cancelled.
There will be
That's what we were
subtitle
talking.
in that movie in English.
Hey, yeah, actually,
Yeah, there will be
it is India.
So no need of translator. You can go back.
Not like that. At the end, I will ask you guys, okay? I will catch his mobile in my hand and I will just ask you when I will be shooting. And I will just ask you guys to, like, just tell how the movie
She's
was.
running from
You
your
have to use
closet.
your own language. You can tell
She is
it.
not interested.
This guy?
Bengali.
Bengal.
Maybe you're also not interested.
You can talk in Kerala.
His memory is very big.
I can see that.
Malayalam.
No.
Malayalam.
Malayalam. Jennifer ma'am, she will talk in
Malayalam.
Tamil. She can. Bro, she can speak in Maithili. Okay? Bas Maithili. So guys, I have just going to dive into vitamin drink.
शाबाश बेटा बहुत बढ़िया
His entry was denied because of, he is carrying some foods with him. We are in the theater now.
You want to have anything?
नहीं
You want to have anything? Kuch खाएगा?
It's not a. It's. Okay, wait. That is the only motive I came here. I don't have any other issue.
Yeah, we'll take a group photo. Because we have to send no principal sir. After we watch.
And what are we going to have? You want to have something?
मैं एक बहुत अच्छे बैट को जानता हूँ, मैं उससे फोन करता हूँ, अभी बुलाता हूँ। वकील साहब, जांघिया बदलने से 10 तो नहीं रुक जाते। हे भगवान, आ गई है 2 चांदी, मेरी जिंदगी बर्बाद करने के लिए।
All these are watching movies now.
Just make a video.
वन आर्म डिस्टेंस पे 60 डिग्री टिल्ट, ढक्कन को धीरे से घुमाना है और जैसे ही फिर ऊपर आए
एक मिनट है.
बताया करो यार सर को ज्यादा फिश के साथ पेप्सी.
Experience the best of cinema in perfect luxury. The PVR INOX Kodak Credit Card, the business class of entertainment.
Do you want to order something?
Get updates on the hottest movie releases and
Mr.
latest
Mukut?
offers right on your phone. That's not all.
And,
Get rupees 100 off on your first
She
ticket
is in so
transaction.
limelight here. I can't even see her face.